Do you often feel tired all day, even after what you think is enough sleep? Do you struggle to stay focused, or feel like your body just does not have the energy to get through the day? Many people believe that constant tiredness must mean a serious health problem. But that is not always true. In most cases, the cause is linked to daily habits and small things we often overlook. In this video, you will learn about 8 common reasons why you may feel tired and what simple, practical steps you can take to feel more energized. These tips are easy to apply and can make a big difference in your daily life. Stay with us until the end so you do not miss these useful solutions that could help you feel stronger and more focused every day. Reason 1: Sleep quality, not just sleep time. It is common to hear that we need 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. But many people who sleep that long still wake up feeling tired. That is because sleep quality is just as important, or even more important, than sleep time. When your sleep is poor in quality, your body does not get enough deep sleep stages like slow-wave sleep and REM sleep. These stages are needed for muscle repair, memory, and restoring energy. Signs of poor sleep quality can include waking up and still feeling tired, having mild headaches in the morning, or feeling groggy and unfocused for hours. Some people wake up multiple times during the night, or find it hard to fall back asleep once they wake up. Others may snore loudly or stop breathing briefly during sleep without realizing it, which can also reduce sleep quality. So, what can you do to improve your sleep quality? First, try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Even on weekends, this helps regulate your internal body clock, also known as your circadian rhythm. A steady sleep schedule helps your body know when it is time to rest and when it is time to wake up. Second, stay away from screens like phones, tablets, and computers for at least 30 minutes before bed. The blue light from these devices can confuse your brain into thinking it is still daytime. Instead, create a bedtime routine that helps you relax. This can include reading a paper book, listening to soft music, or doing light stretches. Finally, keep your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark. These simple changes can help you sleep more deeply and wake up feeling refreshed, ready to face the day. Reason 2: Skipping breakfast or eating the wrong breakfast. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. After several hours without food during the night, your body needs fuel to start the day. When you skip breakfast, your blood sugar stays low. This can make you feel weak, dizzy, and unable to concentrate. It can also slow down your metabolism because your body tries to save energy. Many people who skip breakfast feel very hungry later in the morning, leading them to grab unhealthy snacks or overeat at lunch. Eating the wrong kind of breakfast is just as harmful. Many people choose quick options that are high in sugar, such as sweet pastries, donuts, or sugary cereal. These foods cause a fast spike in blood sugar, but that energy does not last. Soon, your blood sugar drops sharply, and you feel tired, hungry, and sluggish even before lunchtime. Over time, eating these foods regularly can increase your risk of weight gain and type 2 diabetes. So what should you eat instead? A healthy breakfast should include protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and it should be low in added sugar. Good choices are eggs, oatmeal, plain yogurt with fresh fruit, or a slice of whole grain toast with nut butter. You can also add nuts or seeds to your breakfast for extra nutrients. These foods give your body a steady source of energy and help you feel full longer. Try to plan your breakfast ahead so you do not skip it on busy mornings. Even simple meals like a hard-boiled egg with a banana or peanut butter on whole wheat bread can help you feel stronger, more focused, and ready for the day. Reason 3: Sitting too long without moving. Many people spend most of their day sitting, whether at a desk, in front of a computer, or while watching television. Sitting for long periods, especially for more than 1 hour without a break, can slow down your blood circulation. When blood does not flow well, your muscles receive less oxygen and nutrients. This can make you feel tired, stiff, and even lightheaded. Your brain may not get enough oxygen either, which is why you may notice blurry vision or feel like your mind is foggy after sitting too long. Research shows that sitting too much increases the risk of fatigue and lowers your energy levels during the day. It can also raise the risk of health problems like heart disease and type 2 diabetes over time. But the good news is that small changes can make a big difference. One of the easiest ways to fight the effects of sitting is to take short movement breaks. Try to stand up, stretch, or walk around for 1 to 2 minutes every 45 minutes. This helps your blood flow better and wakes up both your body and your mind. Even simple movements like rolling your shoulders, Turning your neck gently or flexing your ankles can help improve circulation. If possible, set a reminder on your phone or computer to prompt you to take these short breaks. Another idea is to stand or pace while talking on the phone or reading. You can also try using a standing desk for part of the day if that fits your workspace. These small actions can help you stay more alert, reduce fatigue, and feel stronger throughout your day. Reason 4: dehydration. Many people feel tired during the day and do not realize that the cause could be mild dehydration. Your body needs water to function well, and even a small drop in your water levels can affect your energy. When you are slightly dehydrated, your blood volume decreases. This makes it harder for your heart to pump blood and deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and brain. The result is that you feel tired, weak, or unable to focus. Some common signs of dehydration include a dry mouth, a mild headache, and feeling sluggish. You may also notice that your urine is darker than usual or that you feel lightheaded when you stand up quickly. In hot weather or when you are active, these signs can appear even faster. So how can you stay hydrated and keep your energy up? The key is to drink small amounts of water throughout the day instead of waiting until you feel very thirsty. Thirst is actually a late signal that your body is already low on water. Try to sip water at regular times, like after waking up, during breaks at work, and with your meals. Plain water is the best choice, but you can also get fluids from herbal teas, clear soups, or eating water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. If you sweat a lot, you may need to replace lost minerals too. To make it easy, keep a water bottle with you and set small goals, like finishing one bottle by lunchtime and another by dinner. These simple steps can help you stay alert, feel stronger, and avoid the tiredness that comes with dehydration. Reason 5: hidden stress. Hidden stress is a common cause of tiredness that many people overlook. Even if you do not feel very anxious, small daily worries can build up and drain your energy. These worries may come from work, family, money, or health concerns. When your body feels stress, it releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Over time, if this stress continues, it can leave you feeling worn out. Signs of hidden stress can be easy to miss. You might notice that you are breathing more quickly or shallowly without realizing it. Your shoulders, neck, and upper back may feel tense or tight. You may also find it harder to focus or feel like your mind is jumping from one thought to another. These signs mean that your body is working harder in the background, which uses up energy. What can you do to reduce hidden stress? First, try to pause for a few moments during the day to take deep breaths. Breathing slowly and deeply can help calm your body and clear your mind. Another helpful step is to write down what is on your mind. Putting your worries on paper can make them feel more manageable and give you a clearer plan of action. It can also help to take short breaks during work. Even a 5-minute pause to stand up, stretch, or step outside for fresh air can reduce stress and boost your energy. Over time, building these small habits can help you stay more balanced, feel stronger, and prevent stress from silently draining your strength each day. Reason 6: lack of essential nutrients. Another reason you may feel tired all day is a lack of essential nutrients, especially iron and vitamin B12. Both of these nutrients are important for making healthy red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. If you do not have enough iron or B12, your body cannot produce enough red blood cells. This leads to a condition called mild anemia, which can leave you feeling tired, weak, and unable to concentrate. Some people may also feel dizzy or notice their skin looks paler than usual. These nutrient deficiencies can happen for different reasons. You may not be eating enough foods rich in iron or B12, or your body may have trouble absorbing these nutrients, which can happen with certain digestive conditions. Vegetarians and vegans may also have a higher risk of low B12, since this vitamin is mainly found in animal products. The good news is that you can improve your nutrient levels with simple changes in your diet. Foods that are rich in iron include lean red meat, chicken, turkey, and fish. Plant-based sources of iron include lentils, beans, spinach, and fortified cereals. Eating foods rich in vitamin C like oranges or bell peppers at the same meal can help your body absorb iron from plant sources better. For vitamin B12, good sources include eggs, milk, yogurt, cheese, and meats like beef and chicken. If you follow a plant-based diet, you may need to choose foods that are fortified with B12 or talk to a doctor about supplements. If you often feel tired and think a nutrient deficiency might be the cause, consider asking your doctor for a blood test. A small change in your diet or the right supplement can help restore your energy and help you feel better each day. Reason 7: Lack of fresh air. Another reason you may feel tired all day is spending too much time in spaces with poor air circulation. When you sit for long hours in a closed room without enough fresh air, the level of oxygen in the room can drop slightly. Your brain and body need oxygen to work well. Even a mild lack of oxygen can make you feel tired, give you a headache, or make it harder to focus. You might not notice it at first, but over time, working or resting in a stuffy room can drain your energy. Signs that you may need more fresh air include feeling sleepy even after sleeping well, getting mild headaches in the afternoon, or feeling like your thoughts are not as clear as usual. Some people may also feel their mood drop when they stay indoors for too long without opening windows or going outside. The good news is that this is easy to fix. The first step is to improve airflow where you spend most of your time. Open windows when possible, even if just for a short time, to let in fresh air. Using a fan or air purifier can also help move air in rooms that do not have good ventilation. It is also helpful to step outside a few times a day. A short walk or even just a few deep breaths outdoors can give your body the oxygen it needs and help you feel more awake. Try to combine this with other healthy habits, like stretching or moving your body. These small actions can help keep your mind clear and your body full of energy. Reason 8: Too little exposure to natural light. Spending too much time indoors and getting too little natural sunlight can be another reason why you feel tired during the day. Sunlight plays an important role in helping your body make vitamin D. This vitamin helps support bone health, the immune system, and even your mood and energy levels. When you do not get enough sunlight, your vitamin D levels may drop. Over time, this can make you feel more tired, lower your mood, and reduce your ability to stay focused. Signs that you may not be getting enough sunlight can include feeling low in energy, having a down mood, or feeling weaker than usual. Some people may also notice more aches and pains or feel that their sleep is not as restful. This is because natural light helps regulate your body's internal clock, which controls when you feel awake and when you feel sleepy. The good news is that small changes can make a difference. Try to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes outside each morning or early in the day. This helps your body make vitamin D naturally. Walking, sitting, or stretching outdoors are all simple ways to get this healthy light. If you live in a place where it is hard to get enough sun, or during the winter months, talk to your doctor. They may suggest a vitamin D supplement to help support your health. By making time for natural light each day, you can help boost your energy, improve your mood, and feel more balanced overall. Let's go over the 8 common reasons that can make you feel tired all day and what simple steps you can take to feel better. First, poor sleep quality. Even if you sleep enough hours, low-quality sleep can leave you tired. A simple step is to keep a regular sleep schedule and create a calm bedtime routine. Second, skipping breakfast or eating the wrong breakfast. Without the right fuel, your energy drops early in the day. The solution is to eat a balanced breakfast with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Third, sitting too long without moving. This can slow blood flow and make you feel sluggish. Try to stand up, stretch, or walk for a few minutes every 45 minutes. Fourth, dehydration. Even mild dehydration can lower your energy. Drink small sips of water throughout the day instead of waiting until you feel thirsty. Fifth, hidden stress. Silent worries can drain your strength. Take deep breaths, write down concerns, and take short breaks to clear your mind. Sixth, lack of essential nutrients like iron and B12. These can lead to mild anemia. Eat foods rich in iron and B12, like lean meat, eggs, and leafy greens. Seventh, staying in places with poor airflow. This can lower oxygen levels slightly. Open windows and step outside for fresh air a few times a day. Eighth, too little natural sunlight. This can lower vitamin D levels and affect mood. Spend 10 to 15 minutes outside in the morning when you can. These small changes in your daily routine can help reduce tiredness and give you more energy. Try these tips today and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, please take a moment to support our channel. Click like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share this video with your friends or family who may benefit from it. Your support helps more people discover these health tips and encourages us to create more useful content. Also, we would love to hear from you. Which of these 8 reasons do you think affects you the most? Leave a comment and share your experience so others can learn from it too. Together, We can build a positive community where we help each other stay healthy, energetic, and strong every day.